as we all know that market is touching its all-time high. Now main question arises here is what to do next. Here we have a main exit strategy for you which will maximize your profit in your investment journey. So here we go, we have a 4 exit strategy which you can follow. This is super trend exit. If your stock is trading below daily super trend 10.2, then you need to exit from the stocks. Second one is EMA. If your stock is trading below 60-day exponential moving average, then this is also the indicator that stock is underperforming and you need to exit from that stock. Third and the most important is if your stock is down from 10% from the highs, then this is also indicating that stock is underperforming which all the sectors and you need to exit from the stocks. And finally, fourth one is time basis stop loss, which means you need to consider if your stock is underperforming the sector or the indices, then you need to exit from the stocks. So these are the 4 strategies which you can adopt when market is trading at all-time high. To know more such strategies and to gain knowledge, follow Stake Planner.